it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm sharing two different planners that I am selling, and I will have all the information down in the description box below. I'm not sure at this point if I'm putting them on my Etsy store or not, so just check the description box for more information. These are similar planners, but there's a few differences between the two. But I took a pre-made planner and customized it. I can also, if you would like, make a customized planner similar to this, use this base and just customize it either with Bible quotes, personalize it with somebody's name, something like that. If you're interested, just send me an email. We can discuss it further if you're interested in something like that. But as far as these being for sale, like I said, I'll have all the information down in the description box. And I think these make great Christmas presents. I've given them as Christmas presents. I've also given one as a birthday present, so keep that in mind as well. With these individual ones, I am also including a matching canvas tote that fits perfectly with this. So this canvas tote is about 15.5 by about 14.5, or 16 by 14.5. It has this beautiful champagne gold vinyl on it to match perfectly with the album. So each one comes with one of the canvas totes. I am selling these for $60 plus shipping, and I can only ship within the United States. I'm sorry about that. It would be way too costly to ship international. So again, each one will come, and I'll flip through this one quickly, but I'm going to set that aside for now and show you this one a little bit closer. So the outside, both of these are the same. They're both 11 inches by 9 inches. The inside pages are 8.5 by 11. It has this beautiful gold spiral binding. And this is a really pretty, I wish you could feel it in real life. It's a faux suede, and it's a really pretty blush pink, I would say, or blush color. I did the champagne gold foil. It has these gold corners. So as you open this, you have your beginning page. It also has this ruler that you can take out. You can pop this out, move it around your planner as needed. I don't know how well it's going to pick up, but it has this really pretty gold trimming on it. This is a 10-inch ruler, and it has 12 divided tabs for each month. This is a monthly, it has monthly and weekly views. There's probably about 90 pages in this total. And I did vinyl I added the months to all the tabbed pages. That way you can see it at a glance. Such a pretty font, I love this. So when you open it, the pages are probably copy weight paper, maybe slightly thicker than copy weight paper. You have your yearly goals for, say, interest, relationships, family, financial. Then you also have a yearly bucket list with the little check boxes. You also have contacts if you like to keep them outside of your phone as well. And then I did put a large month on every single tab, as well as the small one that I showed you. Love this font. So then on the other side of every tabbed month, we'll have an inspirational quote, just something motivational or inspirational. So all of these are the same. They all have the month goals, to do, focus, important dates, and then a little spot for notes. Then you have your month view. Then you have your weekly or your daily for the entire month. It also has the notes and to do. And then on the last page for the month has a blank page for notes where you can do maybe like journal entries. Here's February. Love this sentiment. So I'll just flip through the months at this point because these are all going to be the same. March, April. I love this one. This is May. Here is June. July. Choose happy. Now we're getting into September. So we have fall vibes with this cute pumpkin. October, we have this beautiful sentiment with the leaves. November, aspire to inspire, and then this matches the front cover. And then December, this is my favorite. So at the end of the book, of course, you have the monthly pages like throughout the rest of the book, but I have also included in here a gift planning guide. So it has 4 columns: name, present idea, budget, bought, made, wrapped, and it's double-sided. So that gives you the opportunity to kind of keep track of any ideas you have for your loved ones for gifts, whether you've already purchased them, because I know it can be hectic during the holidays. And this actually can be popped out and moved to maybe the beginning of the month if you would prefer, maybe in November if that's when you start. And then there's also just a spot for just notes. Again, this can be popped out. If you have a punch, you can add pages throughout this as well. And this is double-sided. This here is just protection for the back cover. So we have a pocket here, a plastic pocket, that it's just protecting the page from that. This also can be removed. The inside pages cannot be removed without cutting them out, which you could do if you wanted. But this can be removed if you prefer to have this outside of the album. But this also holds a few things in here. So we have a to-do journal list notepad with the check marks, and this matches. Then there's 3 sticker sheets in here: priority, important, deadline, reminder, to do. And then also these are approximately just a little bit shy of 1.5 inches, and I think there's 26 sticky notes. These are sticky notes that you can use throughout. So those just fit nicely in here. You can also add some stuff to it. And like I said, if you prefer to work without this in there, you can do that as well. So the other book is very similar. It's the same size, it's the same base. There's just a few separate different quotes. So on the front here, we have some rose gold trimming. It matches so pretty. It coordinates so beautifully with this. It's the same dream, plan, do with that rose gold. The back is blank. And I'll quickly flip through the months so you can see what the sentiments are. Like I said, most of them are the same. You can always slow the video down as well by clicking on the gear button in the bottom right of the video and slow down the video if you need to. Here's February. And December. And it also has the exact same things in the back. I have a gift planning and notes to use for the month of December. And the only thing different in this is the little sticky pads are a little different, but they're the same size. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, leave them in the comments, and check the description box for all the information. Like I said, each of these will come with a matching canvas tote that fits perfectly. The album fits perfectly. You can add a little pen case and pencil case to it as well. So as I said at the beginning, I think these would make a great Christmas gift or birthday gift to give to a loved one. Thank you so much for stopping by.